Our Earth. Earth is a planet where we live. It is round and full of life. Earth has land, water, air, trees, and animals. We see mountains, rivers, seas, and forests on Earth. It gives us food, water, and fresh air. Earth moves around the sun and gives us day and night. The sky, clouds, and stars are part of Earth's beauty. People from many countries live on Earth. Earth is our home and we must take care of it. We should not throw garbage on the ground. We must plant more trees. A clean earth is a happy earth. The sun and the moon. The sun shines in the sky during the day. It gives us light and heat. The sun helps plants grow and keeps us warm. It rises in the east and sets in the west. At night, the moon comes out. The moon looks white and round. Sometimes it is full, sometimes half. The moon gets light from the sun. Stars also shine in the night sky. The sun gives us energy. The moon gives soft light. Both are gifts of nature. We should love and enjoy them. Trees, our green friends. Trees are very useful to us. They give us oxygen to breathe. Trees give fruits, flower and wood. Birds live and build nest in trees. Trees give us shade on sunny days. They keep the air clean and fresh. Trees bring rain and stop pollution. They make the earth green and beautiful. We should plant more trees. We must not cut trees. Trees are our green friends. Let us protect them.